Hi everyone, today we have 3 packages from AliExpress. Let's check the first one. First of all, we have RF connector to 3.5 millimeters. I bought that to use with my Game Gear TV tuner. We have something for here. Yeah. We have the cover for my 2DS. It's well made. I will check if it fits my 2DS or not. Okay, that's it. All right. Perfect. That's perfect. I love this. And the last package. Full replacement shell for our Game Boy Advance SCB. This one is clear, as you see, and this one is clear black. Nice. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in future videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And in the future videos, we will replace the shells for 2 of my Game Boy Advance SCB devices with this tool. Thank you for watching and see you.